Welcome to the future of innovation and efficiency. Welcome to the world of digital twins. Digital twins are virtual replicas of physical objects, systems, or processes. They enable us to simulate, analyze, and optimize performance in real time. By using sensors and IoT technology, data from the physical world is collected and fed into the digital twin. This continuous data flow creates an accurate, dynamic model of the real-world counterpart. Digital twins are transforming various industries. In manufacturing, they optimize production lines and predict maintenance needs. In smart cities, they enhance urban planning and resource management. In healthcare, they enable personalized treatment plans and improve patient outcomes. The benefits are immense. Digital twins drive efficiency, reduce costs, and foster innovation. They provide a platform for testing scenarios and solving problems before they occur in the real world. As technology advances, the potential of digital twins will continue to grow. From autonomous vehicles to smart grids, the possibilities are endless. Digital twins are not just a technological trend, they are a revolution in how we interact with the world. Embrace the future. Embrace digital twins. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our YouTube channel.